probably easy, but for some reason it was not
Well, we start by using the product rule. 5.4, number 59 says to make a tangent line, correct?
Yes.
And it's e to the negative x times natural log of x.
Yes.
So you're going to start with the product rule. And then you're going to plug in 1 to get the slope.
Oh.
Okay, make a note of that. We'll go on. Okay.
5.497.
5.4, number 97.
I know it's U substitution, but
Hold on, I gotta get there.
okay.
Oh, yeah. Mm-hmm.
Which one do you?
U sub.
But once you get the derivative, it still doesn't equal the top part.
What did you use sub?
I put U equals square root of x.
Okay, I accept.
And then the derivative is 1/2 square root of x.
Yeah.
But that doesn't equal e square root of x. So
No, it equals e to the u times 1/2. Oh, I know what you did. Okay. At least I think I know what you did. Did anyone get number 97? Don't tell, just give us one little hint. What did you do? It's a little tricky. I remember this one. I forgot. Some of us did this one last week.
Which one do you use? Top or bottom?
Yeah, I get that one.
That's an excellent question.
The top root x.
Ooh. So somebody yell out what you did. Yeah, go ahead. What'd you do?
I did u equals x to the 1/2, and then
Stop. Let us think about that. You did use square root of x as your u.
yeah.
Okay, so let's stop. When we do that, we get 1/2 times square root of x, or 1/2 times x to the negative 1/2. Then what did you do?
Multiplied by 2 to get rid of the 1/2.
I accept.
And then so I got 2 du equals
Stop. 2 du equals. Go ahead.
x to the negative 1/2.
I accept.
And then I plugged it in. I got 2, and then I have to take the integral of u to the u du. You just plug it in. The 2 is outside the integral. It's 2, and then
Let me show you.
Oh.
So you were right in letting u equal that. And there, those of you who like to solve for dx, you would end up with a 2 root x du. So then we sub. So this gets put in place of dx. And this goes up into here. If you put a u in this position, you might have gotten stuck. So we've got e to the u over square root of x times, we're going to replace the dx with all this 2 root x du stuff. So instead of dx, I'm going to write 2 square root x du. This is just one way to do it. The other way to do it is to recognize it early on, just like we were saying a minute ago. The root x's cancel out. 2 is not glued to square root of x. 2 is not glued to square root of x, so they cancel out, leaving the integral of e to the u du times a 2, which I'm going to put on the outside. So that's 2 e to the u plus some c, which is 2 e to the square root of x plus c. And then you can evaluate it, yeah?
Wouldn't you have to sub in u for both square roots of x?
You don't have to. You could. But that might get you in trouble and it might not. You could. You certainly could. As long as you're careful about how you do it. You still got u over u and they'll cancel out anyway. But if you do, you're going to end up with a u. No, don't do that. Because then you're going to get a u in the bottom and a something.
Yeah, that's why I was
Actually, yeah, you could do it. You could do it. Because then you could put a u in this position, and you would put a u in that position as well, and they'd still cancel out. So it doesn't matter. Yeah.
Can we do 111, same section?
Any more questions about this one? Okay. Good afternoon.
Jesus.
I did U equals E to the top part.
What is this, 5-4?
E to root x squared.
Yeah, that'll work too. So, 2du, just pretty this up a little bit. So that would replace that entire integral with 2du. So that's 2du. The whole entire inside gets replaced with 2du, which the integral is 2u plus some c, which is 2 times e to the square root of x plus c. And you get the same answer. Sometimes, did you notice that? Sometimes it doesn't matter which parts you use sub, you're going to end up with the same answer. Sometimes it will matter. And sometimes you can do several different methods. I was looking at one of the problems just a minute ago where you could use by parts if you know how to do by parts, and we're going to learn how again this year anyway. So most of you learned it last semester too.
Did we go over by parts last semester?
Not officially, it was extra credit on a test in our class.
Oh.
Did you guys get to by parts? I don't think you did. Yeah, did you do it? I don't remember. I think,
Now we do the plus and then.
yeah.
Oh,
We did
yeah,
that.
Yeah. So we did it unofficially in this class, and we'll do it again. We'll, in the process of all of our review, we'll do it again. Okay,
Actually, I like that method.
can we do number 11 now? Somebody tell me what
Yeah.
number 11, are we, which
It's
section?
Number 111.
111.
Oh.
5-4.
It's the integral from 0 to 1. X times e to the negative x squared
X times e to the negative x squared.
dx.
That one,
Yeah.
you sub.
Yeah, I did that and I got a decimal number.
Well, you got a number in terms of e, probably. It's just that you.
What's the e answer?
It's just a u sub. Let u equal, I'll give you a hint on the u, and then I'll leave you to do the rest yourself. Let u equal negative x squared, and then the rest should unfold.
Ye-
Any more questions about this one? What?
Should I do this in parts? Or should I just do this one giant video?
It's up to you.
I mean, which way? Because you can only send like so big on an email, can't you?
That's true. So you can cut it off when it doesn't matter. And...
Okay.
All right, any other questions? Somebody over here said they had a question. I don't remember who it was. You got your question. Oh, you got another one? Bring it on.
5.5.
Huh?
5.5.
Okay, 5.5. Number,
45.
okay? Tell me what it says. Or do I have to walk over here?
It's 2 to the negative theta times cosine pi theta.
And what's, I assume this is f of theta, y equals or something?
Yeah, but theta.
H theta.
Huh? What?
H of theta.
H of theta, okay. And what's my job?
Find h prime.
Product rule. Theta's just a variable, pi is not a variable, just do the product rule. Huh?
Prime derivative.
Yeah, just use the product rule.
But, like, how do you do that with the thetas and stuff?
Theta scaring you, it's just a variable. If you don't like it, change it to an x.
So is that where you do like the ln of 2, or it's like u prime
derive one, leave the other, derive the other, leave it, yeah.
That's product rule, but for that theta, is it just,
Theta's just a variable.
is it just negative theta minus 1? And whenever you drop the power down?
Oh, you're trying to remember how to do a derivative of, so you gotta get in your notes and look up the derivative of a to the u.
It's a to the u prime ln of a, correct?
Correct.
Okay.
So u prime is negative 1.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Which
So-
two are you doing the product rule for?
We've got a to the u, we've got a natural log of a, and we have a u prime. I'm gonna write that.
Which two things?
Oh, that's a good
You want
question.
B?
Let me give you some parentheses. Do you see it now?
That's good.
So we've got u prime, we've got natural log of a, and we've got a to the u. So u prime is negative 1, natural log of 2, 2 to the negative theta. That's that piece.
Can we do 5.4 number 67?
What does that one want me to do?
Double derivative.
Oh, it's a double derivative?
It's a
Ah, that answered that question in a hurry.
I still don't think I can.
What is it?
2 and negative
60. So you want me to just go through and see what you did wrong? Is that what you're telling me?
Or like, who got the first derivative? What was the first derivative? Did you get it?
For what number? Quantity negative 6x minus 7 times the e to the negative 3x.
Did you factor e to the negative 3x out?
Yeah, but I have a plus 7 on it. Did I probably-
Oh, when you derived negative 3x, did you remember to make it negative 3? Negative 3. That might have changed things.
Okay. I did make a negative 3.
How many of you got 67 correct? Haven't even done it yet? All right, do it right now. We'll find out where her issues might be.
I mean, I think, what did you get for 67?
Yeah, I can get that.
Josh, what did you get?
Let me just see, okay, so 3 times
So every
6x
time you
plus
take
5
a derivative of something
times
e
e
to the
negative
whatever,
3x.
you have to times
Yeah,
what
okay.
you're doing that by the derivative.
That's
of
fine.
Oh,
the
yeah.
exponent.
That's a chain rule issue.
It
going
is.
on there.
I kept mine.
Let's see, is there anyone besides Christina that we're missing? I feel like
Oh, you mean like difference?
we got everybody.
Okay.
What's up?
The derivative
I think we
equals
got
3
everybody.
plus 2x is equal to 2.
Wait, so